Alright, y'all, so we about to give a mod to the Ram. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, so as y'all know, we done had the truck for about almost 4 years. I was getting close to being paid off. So what we want to do, maybe start doing a couple mods to it. Actually, I need to clean that up. Get that up off of there. Anyway, while we here though, a little small mod, nothing major. Got these Vit visors. They are black or smoked. And these are the ones that go inside of the. These are the ones that go inside of the area, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these go inside of the. That's odd. So 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 2, 3, and one big one right there, and then one big one right there. So I don't know exactly what happened to them. Oh yeah, these are the inside of the vent joints, or inside of the window thing. Let me show you how they're gonna go on there. These are actually labeled, so you can't mess it up. Left front. So basically what you have to do, but after you prep the surfaces and everything, it's gonna go right up in there like this. So it's gonna look like that. But before we do that, it's a little bit of prep work that we have to do beforehand to make sure that we get it up there and get it to stick the way it's supposed to. The directions say you're supposed to scuff up the felt with the Scotch-Brite Pred and then clean it with alcohol and then remove the adhesive and then put it in there. I also want to test fit it and make sure that the fitment is going to be exactly how you want it. So technically that's kind of what I'm doing right here. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to go inside of there. Yeah, so it's gonna go in there just like that. So let me get the first one prepped and clean and put on there, and then we'll make our way around. All right, y'all. So we bringing it back. All of them have been installed. It's a nice look, to be honest. It's a nice little look, different look, to be honest. Like I said, nothing major, just something subtle. I think I do want to kind of wake it up and put the chrome between here, but y'all let me know y'all opinion. Y'all think that's doing too much or just enough? I'm talking about give you the whole vision. Give you the whole vision. So yeah, chrome in between. I'll leave it blacked out. Y'all let me know. Let me know. Till the next time, man, it's your boy LSL Rock 254. Y'all let me know something y'all might want to see in the future. I really didn't have nothing planned for the Ram. Probably the next major thing that I do for this is gonna be a cold air intake. Like if I did a cold air intake and maybe some wheels. But I'm really comfortable. I'm comfortable on the 20. I'm comfortable on the 20s with the big ass tires, and I don't got no rubbing issues, no nothing. Like I think I'm gonna keep this. I think I'm gonna keep this one as it is, as far as wheels. I don't know. We'll see. I just feel like I need to make it. I feel like it doesn't scream. It doesn't scream this is LS Chevy Rider 254 truck. Like even if it is a Ram, this doesn't scream this is LS Chevy Rider 254's Ram. It's like, oh, it's another Ram. So I ain't really, like I said, y'all let me know. Yeah, cosmetically though, like I really didn't have nothing much planned, but kind of the more and more I think about it, I mean, these wheel wells are just huge, man. I done seen boys with 28s. I done seen boys with 26s on them, make them look like fucking nothing. I done seen boys with 28s, make it look like nothing. So I know I don't want to ride nothing that big, so I'm probably just gonna stay where I'm at, honestly. We'll see. That's a different story though. Anyway, as always, man, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Vent visors.